What if I told you it was possible to generate up to $10,000 to $15,000 each month from the comfort of your own home without ever having to touch a real product and beginning from scratch using Etsy Print on Demand? Anyone can do Etsy Print on Demand. It doesn't matter what your talent level is or how much money you have or don't have, because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can start your own Etsy Print on Demand business. So, what exactly is Etsy Print on Demand? Print on demand is when you work with suppliers who provide you with white label products such as blank hats, t-shirts, phone covers, and virtually anything else that you can think of to then place your own designs on those products and sell them as your own. For example, if I go to Etsy and type in graphic t-shirts into the search bar, I get pages upon pages of t-shirts being sold, most of them with some sort of graphic. The good thing about a print-on-demand business is that you never have to manage, store, or protect any physical product because products are only created after a sale is completed and then the product is sent directly to the customer from the actual print-on-demand supplier. So to get started with Etsy Print on Demand, the first thing you need to decide on is exactly what products you'll be selling. My personal recommendation here is that you want to sell t-shirts. Once you've established what you're going to sell, it's time to start coming up with design ideas. Which means the first thing we'll need to do is actually come up with some inspiration. And there are a variety of places you can look for design inspiration, including Dribbble and Pinterest. Before we go any further, I want you to know that you have the ability to change the course of your life if you want to, but it will need effort. If you truly want to alter your life and have the freedom to go wherever you choose, feel free to join the course described in the description. We will be with you every day to show you exactly what to do. Check it out by clicking the link in the description. Let us return to the video. Let's say you wanted to find design inspiration for socks. You could go to Pinterest and simply type in sock inspiration or maybe sock design, and what you'll get are hundreds of different sock designs. And if you keep scrolling, the idea just keeps flowing. Now the point here is not to copy these ideas verbatim, right? Like I'm not encouraging you to go and steal these ideas and potentially end up in legal trouble. Let's say we're drawing inspiration from this sock idea. What I'm going to do is go to this site here, rawpixel.com, and then go to elements, and we've got a lot of categories here. But what I'm going to do for this example is just click on PNG graphic elements and then shapes, and then filter the elements by free, and then just start scrolling through until you find something that you like. And so I like these shapes right here, and so I'll go ahead and download. So what I'll do is click on the link in the description below this video to go to this website right here, printivefeed.com, and then simply click right here where it says start selling and sign up. Once you're signed up, you should see this page right here, right? You can order a sample of product. You can connect your Etsy store to Printify, which we'll do later, or you can start design. And so from this page, there is a massive catalog of different products that you can customize, but the one that we'll focus on right now are socks. And so I'll click on socks and then click on start designing, and you'll notice 4 different angles here: the front right leg, the back left leg, and the back right leg. And so you can see you have a lot of control and flexibility over the design. And what you'll do is turn on this option here that says create pattern OK. So what this does is it just repeats the design on that specific part of the side, and you can do things like adjust the horizontal and vertical spacing, the offset, the angle, and if we preview it, you'll see that it actually looks pretty good, right? And you could either repeat this on all sides of the sock, or you could get a little bit more creative if you wanted to. So I'll click on this back left leg, and then I'll go to a website called Unsplash.com, which, if you don't know, is an awesome website. All of the photos on this website are 100% free to use for commercial and personal use, and what I'll do is put in maybe, or whatever I'm going to download. I don't know this one right here, and so once that's downloaded, I'll go back to Printify and then upload that image and then click on fill to placeholder, and then review it. As you can see, it's definitely not my favorite design to be, it's not beautiful, but you get the point, right? The point is that it's incredibly easy to create designs with Printify. It's easy to move around, it's easy to navigate. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually integrate Printify with your Etsy store. When someone orders something from your Etsy store, that order is automatically sent to Printify, who then creates the product and ships it directly to your customer, which means you literally have to do nothing except come up with the designs. Following that, assuming you already have a free Printify account, simply head to printivefeed.com. Click here on my store, then here where it says manage my stores, and then you'll see a button that says connect, which you'll click. And then you'll see Etsy is one of the top options, and when you click connect, it'll take you directly to this page here asking if you want to grant Printify access to your Etsy shop, which you'll of course agree to, and then it'll redirect you back to Printify, where you'll see this success message, and that's it. It's simply that simple, and you can now publish products directly from your Printify account and have listings made for your Etsy store immediately. That virtually anyone can start this. As I stated before in this video, we will discuss and go over every detail with you in the courses on how to build a very successful online business. If you want to be successful and have the ability to move wherever you choose, participate in the course described below. Remember to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If you want to generate more money, you should watch this video right here. Thanks for watching.